and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came by way of Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Yamadai with their New Touch Chashu Ramen. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am definitely not looking forward to the chashu that comes with this, because generally it is not any good. So I think it might actually come with 2 slices of pepperoni looking chashu. Here's what the chashu looks like. See, looks like pepperoni. 2 slices. Wow, they're really just give me 1 slice that's like absolutely sensational. Liquid powder. Throw the powder in. I think this is going to be like shichimi. Oh, we want 3 minutes. And we want that to go back on the charger. Yes, my timer requires charging. So what is new in your neck of the woods? We're still dealing with winter weather stuff. My sister's getting snow about 90 miles from here. We're not getting snow. We've just been getting freezing rain. I'm curious though. I'm thinking of venturing out at least the front door and seeing what's down the steps today. But I don't think it's like we had way sub-zero temperatures, and I think what happened is just the ground never got warm. So that's why this freezing rain is like sticking around so nicely. At least nice for this freezing rain that doesn't want to go away. But yeah. Oh look, it's chashu. Chashu. It's just chashu is such a wonderful thing, and then what do they do? They do it in such a way that there's just not a lot going on. That's a lot of noodle for this one too. I think I'm gonna have to, when I do my plating, get rid of some of the noodle because it is overwhelming the broth. Yeah. What I want to get is like a noodle bowl, but that's exactly the same size as a like a bowl noodle size bowl, and just have like a couple of those and use those for doing the steeping of bowl varieties. I think that'd be kind of cool. Probably not hard to come by. Seems like something you'd find at Walmart or Target. But yeah. You almost done here? I got junk I gotta do. I think. Do I? I might. I might find something to do. Need to clean the kitchen. Doing all this crazy cooking mumbo jumbo. I'll dirty up the kitchen. That is a fact. But I kind of put all this stuff away while I'm doing the show. So, are we there? We're almost there. And yeah. Alright, we're going to plug this sucker back in. There we go. Alright, now we add this in. This is the large liquid base sachet. I'll let you have a front row seat on that, because I know that's what you're here for. There we go. Yeah, So I'm gonna guess chashu ramen is basically shoyu ramen. I would think. Maybe a little sweeter. That's a possibility. Maybe there's a sweetness to it. It smells kind of muddy. Here's the noodle, kind of a blondish noodle. Noodle isn't terribly hydrated. I mean, it could be worse, but it's not swelligant. Yeah, that's funky. I don't know that I like that. Let's do this up. I will, like I said, I'm going to use my own chashu. Because that's the way. My mellow chashu. Let's see here. So here's what you get. You get that. Look at that. Boy, that's gristly. Boy, folks, that resembles the chashu that I know and love about as much as a Twinkie does. That's really not. No. No, no, no. That's chashu. God. See? That's what you want. And then oh. I expected you to be runnier. But the whole thing of my my clock, my timer thing needed to be on the charger is when I made that egg, my clock stopped during it, and I thought it stopped early, to be honest, so, but I guess it didn't. Eggs are weird. Yeah, downright, I'm saying that the broth and the chashu that came with this are really not at all my thing. I would go so far as to call it gross, nasty. Blech. Yeah, disappointing. These guys make some high-end primo stuff too. I don't know why they would do this. I guess it's just because it's a low-cost one. But still, it's kind of perplexing, vexing, if you will. So, what the heck is going on? Why did you do this? You could have done it so much nicer, but you chose not to. All right. Rotate. All right, well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching, and yeah, like, subscribe, really helps me out, helps other people find out all about the wonderful world of instant noodles and ramen and all that good stuff. And this has been me, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.